Today we are going to talk about one of the Upwork assignment which I have seen recently on the app. So one of the users has posted this job where he wants to concatenate a column of 1,000 names into one cell. He has given an example here. He has 1,000 names in different cells, like in one column, like this. He wants all the name in one cell, and there is a vertical bar between all the names. He is spending $5 for this particular work, but I think this is something which is pretty simple. So let's talk about how to do this. I have taken an example here where I have chosen some names. Instead of typing 1,000 name, I have just taken 10 names. What you need to do, simply you need to use the formula text join. In the delimiter, the user wants a vertical bar between two names, so I have selected a vertical bar in the inverted commas, and then I want to ignore empty cells, so I select through here, and I simply opted for all the names and enter. I get all the names here. In the same way, if I have 1,000 names instead of 810, I can put thousands here and I will get the result. I hope the user who posted this job will find this video useful. For any Excel related help or for any assignment, you can contact me either through my about section or through my Telegram link.